Ay, there we go. Just had to hit that little red button.
She thinking will he make it? You bet your bottom dollar I killed, he's faded. Not worse cut deeper, keep a blade that is serrated.
Damn, we all better. If I record everything, I get way more better content.
Way more better content?
Way more better vocabulary. Way more better school. I can get some people to
Roosevelt?
What are we doing, bud?
About to fucking win some money, baby.
We're trying to win some money. Let's go. We are winning money.
Let's go.
I'm gonna make money, baby. I feel it. I always do. Let's go.
Gonna take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a 10 up a foul. City to city, got girls going wild, and I reach for my chain when I jump.
It's all of my fucking mask. Quarantine for life.
Black Lives Matter, bitch. I hope you know that, bitch.
Alright, you just give us all a fucking seizure or what?
I have no idea what I meant. I really don't.
And fuck 12.
There's more. There is more. Let me reorganize. Real quick. 353, if you know me. Later. Said I'm a leader, got me falling when they filter like the feds.
Shoot like I'm a gunner, chop up bullets, make them shit. Black on black, new phantom in the backseat sipping red. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta with these hoes ready to like pet. Condo like the pharmacy, I got codeine in my fridge. Bestie, I just hit my friend, told her catch me. I'ma lick her skin, she so precious. Might not fuck again, she got 2 B's on my bosses and a 30 in a bed. I know niggas granted a million, still didn't tell 12 shit. I got skeletons in my closets and they scared of me and shit. I been getting it since a toddler, I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto, handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put Prada on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got on follow in my footsteps like the feds. I shoot like a...
Riley, what are you doing? It's 1 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing, bro?
I'm fucking smashing these rings.
Yeah? How many is that?
20.
What's going on?
I really don't know.
What time is it?
I really don't know.
Before this vlog's published, I'm about to slap Riley in the fucking mouth. Or slap the fuck out of him. Yeah. Straight in his mouth. He'll hit me hard though. Full slap's hard, dude. And that fool looked at me, not even happy, just pissed. Palm my head. Oh! I was in Tommy's house. Half concussed. Remember that shit, Riley?
I think it's really from that shot.
I'm drinking that beer too.
A, B. That's what the fuck I
Yeah, I'm
thought.
fucked. Last night sucked dick. Not really, it was pretty dope, but we did have a DD, so we were safe. I recommend you all do the same. I feel like Ron Jeremy, just fucking working the camera. Just kidding, that fool just fucking got 90 years in prison. Not that guy.
Danny, yeah, get the fuck ready, bro.
And cute little unicorn.
What are you doing, bitch? How do you even do that, bro? Chill out, Skrillex.
Look who it is. He decides to show up. First time ever. What's up, boys?
What's up, boys?
What are we doing?
Dude, you already asked me.
Damn, the whole squad's here.
Even fucking Alex.
Hey, look who it is.
Alex.
He made it out, baby.
My chest?
Oh my god.
I'm a snake. Fuck, dude, what's going on in here?
If you look Middle Eastern, like they will look out for you. Like I turn to the gas station and I look and I see you're like coming to the gas station. I'm like, oh fuck.
Coming after you.
I go inside, act like I'm looking at shit in the store, get a soda, and I get an ice cream. So this is where like it worked good for me. And he's like, where are you from? Oh, my dad's from Pakistan. And then he's like, the soda for free for you. That soda for
I told you!
I fucking knew it!
Lord help me. Jesus is taking the wheel. Because John's a bad driver.
Nigga, what's that sound? That's me sneaking in your house with a chop. I'ma put that bitch in your mouth.
Good morning, my name is Tokyo. Just like a window, I'm here. Beef in the parking lot. My niggas dogs and we park a lot. All the pot choppers, they spark a lot. I'll beat your ass, I don't care. It's dark and out. Excellent toe sucking services, ladies. In my line, Kyoto's Revenge on Instagram and Twitter. I'm also selling dick, $40 an inch. Snapchat Premium, Amazon. You can download my dick off Google Drive. It's up for auction.
Yeah, I'm a slave to this money, mama. Check it. Now substance gives me something to give. I love the thought of having.
John better make a little standstill of me before and after, because I was looking rough in those first couple YouTube videos.